Annyeonghaseyo, I'm Jung and this is my Busan art trip. In the previous part of my trip, I visited gallery playlist in Jung-ang. Now I continue to the south and I will visit a gallery with a magnificent view. I could have walked back to Jung-ang station to catch a train to Nampo station. It's just one stop, but I have traveled a lot by trains. It's fast, but it's mostly underground and enclosed space. I feel like I want to see the city more, so I decide to walk. It's only about 600 meters anyway. When I arrived at Nampo station, I was on the opposite side of the street, so I have to go downstairs to get to the other side, and I walk past a busy underground commercial area. What you see here is a showcase, probably of a photography club by the elderly. The subjects are about life in Busan and many of them look really eye-catching. I finally find the lift to go up to the art gallery. Gallery SAP tầng 14. Chứ mình chưa xui lắm đâu. By the way, here I'm showing you the better entrance. You actually just need to catch the train to Nampo station, then go up to the exit 4. And right here is the building. There's a sign over here and you can just go up to the 14th floor. Here it is, Gallery SAP. Well, I'm the only visitor at the moment. Today is Friday and it's still in the working hour. It's super quiet and the staff allows me to do videography here, which is nice. Now let me show you around the gallery. Although Gallery SAP was officially founded in 2023, it actually descended from Gallery 604, which was closed due to the pandemic. That gallery was founded in the mid-2000s and was set the goal to bring international museum quality to the art market in Busan. While Seoul dominated South Korea's art world, Gallery SAP quietly carved out its own distinct legacy in Busan. Rather than chasing fleeting market trends, the gallery brought museum-caliber international art directly to the coastal city. By championing site-specific installations and global artist residency, this gallery helped cultivate a dedicated regional collector base, laying the critical groundwork for major cultural milestones like Art Busan and the Busan Biennale to thrive? Well, today there is no major exhibition here. The space is just hosting a continuously revolving schedule of permanent and semi-permanent collections, centered on the thematic exploration of temporal shifts, human presence, and spatial architecture. Well, I did spend some time with these artworks after I finished the long shot around the gallery. Their current on-show collection does suit my taste. I like them. I just wish they added English descriptions so international visitors like me can read easier. It's the end of the day and also my trip in Busan, so I'm a bit tired and just want to enjoy the gallery space. That's why I don't talk much about the exhibition here, and indeed this gallery space is really amazing. The best here is obviously their window views. The windows occupy 3 sides of the building and the views on each side is totally different. Here you can see the mountain. Yeah. Another mountain view. That tower is Busan Tower. From there, you can have a panorama view of the whole city, but everything on the ground will be tiny. I'm pretty sure the views from Gallery SAP would be more lively since you can still see people activities. Also, the ticket to go up to Busan Tower is about 12,000 Korean won. Why is free here, you know? And here you can see the fish market. It looks so busy down there. I will go down there later. Who knows how this view will be in the next 5 years? And here to me is the best Busan port. Such a vista. Sorry, I'm so excited to see this view. The story of Port of Busan is one of incredible transformation. It began in the 15th century as a local trade hub. By 1876, it opened up to the world as Korea's very first international port, and decades of expansion followed. During the Korean War, it became a vital lifeline for the entire nation. Then came the economic miracle of the 1970s, which sparked a massive industrial boom. Let's spend some time with this painting. I can see the interference between the ground and the sky via these trees. And the fact that this is hanging on this metal wall means it is kind of a centerpiece of this exhibition. Today, Busan stands as a high-tech global megaport. It effortlessly connects supply chains across Pacific, Asia, and Europe. They're probably also aiming to the international art market. Oh, there's nothing here. It's just a walking corner. There's a fancy on my mind now that one day one of my paintings will be hung here, facing the vista of Busan city. I am so happy to have come here. I've been a bit unlucky when several of the places I want to visit are closed, but here I guess this gallery might have the best views in Busan. I even feel a bit overwhelmed because both the artworks collection and the window views are great. I highly recommend Gallery SAP to art lovers traveling to Busan. You definitely like it and may take a lot of good photos here. Of course, please respect the gallery rules and the quiet vibe of the place. Well, thank you for watching this video and I hope you support my channel. Now it's time to explore the market and the BIFF square just around the corner. See you!